How to fix creator account can't be private on Instagram. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Instagram. Click on your profile located at bottom right corner of your screen. Then click on three lines on top right corner of your screen. In here, you'll be able to see account privacy. If you click on it and try to make it private, you will find this kind of screen pop up. To simply fix this, go back in here. Above who can see your content, you will find creator tools and controls. Click on creator tools and controls. Scroll down and you will find switch account type. Click on switch account type. And then click on switch to personal account, which is the second option. Click on switch to personal account again. After that, you'll be able to simply make your Instagram account private. As you can see, if I go to account privacy and then simply turn on private account, it will be possible to simply make it private. This is how to fix creator account can't be private on Instagram. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.